Hey guys, today I'm back with these Easter nails. Even with everything that's going on at the moment, we still should be celebrating Easter. We'll just get a bit more creative with it. So, if you want to know how I did these Easter nails, keep watching. So with my Moyou London festive plate, I'll leave what number it is below. And a black stamping polish, I just stamped this little Easter chick. Now I just filled in his body with yellow. A bright yellow that is. And then the little flowers I accented with an orange polish. On my actual nail I painted with this bright neon pink. It's from Moyou London called Pink Parade. And then I applied a foil glue to make that base sticky. And stamped on that decal when it dried. So back here with that Moyou London festive plate, I'm just stamping these Easter eggs in black. And then I'm just filling in the eggs with different colours. So I've done yellow, pink. Nope, green. And a purple. It was an interesting purple choice. And blue. And finally some white because I didn't know what else to use. Now my actual nail I painted with that orange that I used for the flowers on the other nail. And applied a foil glue to make it sticky. And just stamped on those decals. And finally, as much resistant top coat. And there you go, these Easter nails. I hope you all have a wonderful Easter and take care of yourselves. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.